Hello Android enthusiasts. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to check your mobile phone's IP address. Whether you're curious about your public or private IP, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. 1. Understanding IP addresses. An IP address is a unique label assigned to every device connected to a network. There are two types of IP addresses: public IP, how the internet sees your entire network, like your home address; private IP, identifies a specific device within your local network, like your apartment number. 2. Finding your private IP. On your Android phone, open Settings, navigate to Network Internet Wi-Fi, or Internet on Android 12, tap your connected Wi-Fi network. Look for the IP address listed under the network details. 3. Viewing your public IP. To find your public IP, open a web browser on your phone, search for "What is my IP address?" The search results will display your public IP. If you feel this is helpful, share this tutorial with your friends.